Yeah, Ryan's in rough shape. But for today's episode, we've got Eddy's Q60 up here, and today we're going to be teaching you guys how to install spacers. Yeah, so first step, gotta take off the wheels. That helps. Now with the wheel off, we just need to take all this debris off and make sure that this is super flush. Safety, super awesome. All right, yep, so then these are 25 millimeter spacers from Z1. It's actually really nice, right? Cool. The thing is, these are made out of aluminum, and I don't really know what this is made out of, but we don't want it to seize together either way. So what we want to do is take this Coppaslip or Permatex copper, and this lubricant is going to make it so that it won't seize together. It's real important. So you just want to apply it to the inside right here, and then we're going to put that on.
You don't want to get any on the lug nut.
Yeah, you don't want to get any on the lug nut.
Or the stud.
The stud. Oh, bad. And then we're just going to want to take these. They've got different threads, so what we're going to be doing is putting these threads through right here, and then these other ones are going to be what's going to be actually bolting the wheel to the car at this point. So all these up. So to tighten these down, they need to be set to 80 to 90 foot-pounds. So I'm gonna go with like 85. And another interesting thing that you're gonna need to know is that the socket, you're gonna need a shallow wall socket, what do I wanna call it? Because the impact sockets, I'll show you. This is the difference that we're looking at, yeah. So this might not be the same with all brands, but certainly with these Z1 brands, we can't use our impact sockets, but we can use just these regular, it's a Pittsburgh, so you can go to Harbor Freight and use that. Oh, I can't even use, so I need an adapter.
Adapter, yeah.
Oh man. But 80 to 90 foot-pounds. Lock that in. Yeah, you're gonna need.
Yeah.
Yeah. And if you're doing the front, you're gonna need your friend, like Ryan, sit in the driver's seat and hold the brake on so that it doesn't spin. But, so I'm gonna tighten this up to the 80 to 90 foot-pounds. I'm gonna put the wheel on, and then we're gonna drive the car around for like 15 miles, 5 to 15, whatever, and then bring it back, and then we're gonna re-torque them up. They can loosen up a smidge, and we don't want that to happen. So we want this as tight as possible. I normally don't recommend these, but it will make the car look really awesome. Yep, so this was just a short video just to show you guys how to properly install spacers. And if you made it this far, you like the video, so make sure to smash that like button down below. Make sure to subscribe, share with all your friends. We've got lots more coming up. So, yeah. Awesome. Woo!
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. And we'll see you next time.
What? No.
Call you Bob Ross.
You want to put the trees in the background. Right here. Oh yes. That's so nice.
Just like that, my friends.
Just like that, my friend.